device we buy in Orange County will be filtered by Orange County, wherever in the world that device goes.
So when you're examining what's going on in the classroom, make sure that it's not just the poltergeist experience, right? Make sure you appreciate when your teachers are doing things like this that are much more powerful engagements.
I was shocked that all the computers that the county will be buying are made in the USA. I thought that was super awesome. I also was really interested to find out that they actually collaborated with the teachers and the students to make the actual computers that are going into the classrooms. That was super cool. The fact that they were able to get that feedback and find the perfect solution or a good solution for our kids. That was really awesome. It wasn't just something that they bought off the shelf. It really was to fit our county and our needs and our kids.